You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, you will find strength to shape your life. Good morning, IIBM. My name is Balkrishna. I'm your host for today's session. I welcome you all to IIBM Original Direct to Home lecture series, Hands On, Plugs On, Minds On. We are back again with our Mind Re-Engineering series with your favorite speaker, Mr. Avinash Tikku. Mr. Tikku is a Program Director, Youth Affairs at Art of Living. So without any further ado, let's hear from Mr. Tikku.
Now it's okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Balkrishna ji. Again, nice to see you back.
Same here.
So, hi everybody. I think all the people who are here listening. So my greetings to all of you. So the topic for today, I think, is decision making. Is that the topic?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So let's come to this question that why do we need to take a decision? Have you ever thought of this? That whenever there is a decision, what are the things? Why do you need to take a decision? First of all, you will always need to take a decision because there are many options. Yes or no? What do you say? So let's say you are doing your postgraduate in your finance, in your HR, in your marketing, and now you have to take a decision. What should I do? Should I start my own startup? Should I take a job? Should I go abroad to study further? Or should I get married? Do you see? So at a junction when there are many opportunities or many things available, that is where you need to take decision. Yes or no? Like if suppose there is no other option, then there is nothing called as decision making. In school there is not much, right? I mean, like, you are fixed, you have fixed schedule. Like, I mean, like, there is nothing happens. You know that from 6th you have to go to 7th, you have to pass an exam, that's it. But after that comes a lot of decision making in your life. Now again, I mean, this message must have come to many of you, right? That this Monday we have a seminar. Last time there were 140-50 people, today there are 72 people. So some people have decided that, okay, this is not important for us, but some of you have decided this is important for us. Again, a decision making. Yes. Now, so okay, I'll give you now how do we take a decision. So decision happens from our level of existence called as our intellect. Buddhi jise bolte. Intellect is the one which is responsible for yes or no, discrimination. Yeah. And I think if you'll remember, in my first of my lectures, I had said that, one of the things which you do is you doubt your decisions, and especially the positive ones. If you remember that, when I had given an example of somebody tells you I love you, you say, oh really? Now the interesting part comes is, you are at a point you have to take decisions. Suppose you are hungry. Let's say you are hungry. Okay. And your two favorite things which is like your best thing that you like. One is white sauce pasta with mushrooms and zucchini and nice toppings. One side is that is one of your favorite, and the other side which you also love is kadi chawal. Both of them are like really like at par. Now if you're hungry, at one side there is white sauce pasta, and other side there is a brick to it, int. What will you choose? Is there a choice? There is no choice. Obviously you will choose the white sauce pasta over a brick, obviously, isn't it? It's a very clear, simple thing. But what happens when on one side there is pasta and the other side there is kadi chawal? That is where the fight comes, isn't it? Now because you have said that you like both of them equally, which one should you pick up? You can pick up anyone because both of them are equally good, isn't it? So first of all, please understand in your life that decisions which you take or the decision which you have to take, it is always between equally important things. It is never between unequal. Obviously, if from the smallest of, if from the basic common sense, I will take which is better, isn't it? Better, obviously. एक तरफ भूख खाना लग रहा है तो खाना खाऊंगा, ईंट नहीं खाऊंगा. Now, the moment you have said they are equally good, you choose any. How does it matter? Because they're both equal, right? Now, after taking a decision, let's say now you're eating white sauce pasta. If you have an option of taking both, that is the best thing. If you can do that, nothing like that. But if you cannot choose any one of them, how does it matter? Because you like both of them equally. Now, the challenge, where does the challenge come? The challenge comes while you're eating that white sauce pasta or while you're eating the kadhi chawal, you're eating, suddenly you see some of your friend eating that white sauce pasta, or you see some of your friend eating that kadhi chawal, and you look at them and like, "Arey yaar, I think I should have ordered white sauce pasta." Or contrary, you said, "I should have ordered kadhi chawal." Does this happen? See, I'll give you a very interesting example. Have you been to a restaurant ever? Ever a restaurant? When you go to a restaurant, there used to be a point where we used to go to restaurants, right? We used to dine out, we used to go for lunch, we used to go for dinner. Hopefully that time will be back. You go to this restaurant, you order something very amazing. You know, you have like ordered 3-4 things, and you're sitting with your friends, and everything is come. And then suddenly this waiter comes with his hand, and he has this one amazing dish in his hand, and he's just, going, and you are like, "Oh, what is this thing?" Has this happened to you? It happens to me many times. I'm like eating and I'm like, "ये क्या चीज है?" And then I call the waiter, "भैया क्या था ना जरा एक बारी." Because that is how the mind is. Whatever you will have, what you're doing, it will always say, "Oh, दूसरी चीज हो सकता है better हो." Grass is always greener on the other side. Yes or no? बहुत लोग, जैसे हमने लास्ट टाइम बात की, बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि लाइफ में यार एक बारी रिलेशनशिप में आ जाए तो लाइफ सेट है, मगर रिलेशनशिप आने का लगता है बोलते हैं क्यों ही आए. Yes, so exactly the same thing. Once you have decided that, okay, now I am eating this. I'm just giving an example, but it can be applicable in anything in your life. Now, while you're eating the pasta or while you're eating the kadhi chawal, the important part is what? That you need to finish it off. Are you understanding what I'm saying? You need to finish it off and then switch. For me, I will give you an example of my own life. So I was not at all good with my academics, not at all good. Like because it was not, I never wanted to do engineering. It was just because parents wanted me, so I landed up there. And I was very good with other sports and co-curricular and other things. So I was like really, really bad. And I kind of flunked 1 year, totally. And Bombay University is a pretty tough university to pass exams. And I told my friend that, I'm giving up. I don't want to do this. मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ engineering. तो मेरे friend ने बोला, छोड़ रहा है मतलब? मैंने कहा मैं मेरे से नहीं होगा, छोड़ रहा हूँ मैं. He said, तेरे पास है क्या छोड़ने के लिए? Do you understand what I'm saying? He said, you can only leave that, you can only drop it if you have it. You don't have the degree. First get the degree and then you can drop it only. एक साल करने के बाद थोड़ा ना छोड़ सकता है कोई. It is like what? You are escape. You don't have the degree. So once you have it, then only you can leave it, right? So the important part is, again, coming back to my last, one word I had used in the last session was commitment. Once you are eating that or once you are pursuing something, if you are committed towards that, because if you look at one thing in terms of job, there is nothing called as a perfect job. There are people who have not studied, still are amazing. Some people who study are still not doing good. Yeah. So whatever you do, if you have commitment, if you are disciplined, if you are you have that zeal and that enthusiasm to make it amazing, you will achieve that. So are you understanding what I'm saying? I hope I'm making myself very clear. Excuse me. One, Decision only happens while there are more than one option. What do you take decision for? Things which are equally good. Now, while they are equally good, you choose any, because if there is good and bad, you will choose the good. Clear? Third thing, whilst you're taken the thing, what is that key thing which will make it happen is your commitment. Now, while you are committed, okay, now how do you make this choice? There is one very interesting secret I'll tell you. While you're deciding, okay, now, because also you have to do a lot of calculation. Okay, is this good? What will happen? What are the pros? What are the cons? So we have this very interesting formula. Take up something which has short-term pain but long-term gain, and there are something which are short-term gain but long-term pain. Are you understanding? Like, for example, 2 examples I'll give you. One, smoking cigarette is an absolute short-term gain. Amazing, you feel wow man, brilliant, but 101% long-term pain for yourself or people around you. On contrary, you see gym, yoga, meditation, short-term pain. अरे यार कौन जाएगा, उठ के जाना पड़ेगा, अरे weight उठाने पड़ेंगे, I'll have to sit in that position, I have to do some breathing, कौन करेगा ये? But if you do it, you have an amazing body, you have an amazing mind. Yes? तो उसमें short-term pain है, but long-term gain है. तो ऐसे ही while you are deciding on couple of things, what do you need to do? Calculate all the things. What are the features? What are the bugs? क्या क्या इसके फायदे हैं, क्या क्या नुकसान है, और जहां पे आपको फायदे ज्यादा लग रहे हैं नुकसान से, and it is having a long lasting impact, you can go with it. And I'm telling at point where most of you are, I think you'll be like 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You still have some time. Are you understanding? Never feel that, oh my God. See, at an age where you are, this is the time to really, really explore and to go for it. See, once you're 45, once you're 40, then you cannot really experiment. Then you cannot really explore things. Because then the responsibilities, the way life is, how the body has shaped, the energy levels have changed. But right now is a time where you can really, 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 really explore things. Go for it. How does it matter? Yeah. Don't think too much. The problem is we think too much. Do some quick analysis. Okay, this can happen, this can happen. If you feel there are some people who are experts with that, ask advice from them, take your call and move ahead. Another thing which many people ask me that, how do I decide on this goal and what are the things? I will say, this thing is very interesting in deciding that final thing. One, remove all the things which you don't want to do. This is also a big thing. What do you want to do in your life? कुछ लोग पूछते हैं कि हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा है. आप क्या क्या नहीं करना चाहते उसको तो हटाओ पहले. क्या नहीं करना चाहते? Do you want to go to Mars? Maybe yes, no, okay. If no, delete it. So all the things which you don't want to do, remove them. I'll say there are many things which you don't want to do. Yes, like if you are finishing your MBA, what do you want to do or what you don't want to do? Yes, remove that. Again, some things will come into picture. There's some clarity will happen. Then, out of those things, how do you decide? Something which is like people say, no, कि वो मेरे को कैसे एकदम dream मिलेगा या dream job मिलेगी, that final goal. Then you figure out. Then you have to ask this question yourself: what I am doing, why am I doing it? जो भी मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ? Are you understanding? This is a very powerful, deep question. But if you can really ponder upon this question, that what am I doing, why am I doing it, you will get a lot of clarity. मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ? Okay, I need a job, but why do I need a job? Okay, because I'll get money. Okay, fantastic, I'll get money, but why do I need money? Okay, I need money because it will satisfy my needs. Okay, what will happen if you satisfy your needs? So like that, if you can kind of go one level down, a lot of clarity will happen in your life. Unfortunately, many people don't even contemplate, don't even think what they are doing. They are not spending time also, that little time that, okay, why am I doing like this? Majority people are running in this rat race. मेरे दोस्त का जॉब मिल गया तो मुझे भी प्लेसमेंट में बैठना है. अरे क्यों बैठना है तुम्हारे को? जरूरी नहीं है. तुम्हें बैठना है कि तुम्हारे दोस्त को बैठा है. Is it just because your friend got their placement, that's why you have to sit, or you want to take a job? Do you see what I'm saying? So while this question comes, what am I doing? Why am I doing? You ask one more question, that what is that thing that if I'll do, if I have everything? अगर मेरे पास सब कुछ है, like if I have, you have power, you have money, you have fame, you have everything, like you have 10 billion, 10, $100 billion in your account. You are like the most known person in this planet Earth. Or you are like, you have a lot of power. You can do whatever. What will you do then? Will you do a job then? So this question, like for me, if you will ask me, I am very clear in my head that, if I have power, if I have name, fame, I will still do this. I will still teach people meditation. I'll still teach art learning workshops. It doesn't matter. Money, fame, no fame, power, no power. I am very clear that even till my last breath, I can do this. For most of us, is this answer clear? आप बोलते हो कि क्या अगर आपके पास बहुत पैसा हो, क्या आप वही जॉब करोगे? आप बोलोगे पागल है क्या? ना, तो क्या करोगे? Do you see what I'm saying? So, because I'll tell you, this way we are not taught to think so many times. That what am I doing? Because I am telling you, this life which you have is a very, very, it's a small duration. We never know, it can end anytime. So what are you wanting to do? Yeah. So really take time on this. Really take time on this. And again, like how I said, what is the botheration? The unlimited amount of thoughts which are just coming and bothering your mind. Because even you sit so many times, हम बैठते हैं बोले मेरे को सोच रहे हैं, मगर उसमें सोचते सोचते हम कहाँ से कहाँ ही निकल जाते है कि नहीं? सोचने बैठा हूँ कि मैं जो करियर में क्या करना है, सोच रहा हूँ मैं भाई कुछ अलग ही सोच रहा हूँ मैं, उसका कोई रिलेशन ही नहीं है. So again, streamlining your thoughts. Streamlining thoughts, what happened? Then you at least can, for some time, you can really, like a laser, you can be. Okay, I want to think about this. I can really think on this and move it ahead. देखो मैं बार मैं बताता हूँ कैसे. देखो आपने अभी मेरे 4 लेक्चर सुन लिया, आपको हो सकता है कुछ लोगों को अच्छा लगा, कुछ लोगों को कि यार फेंक रहा है. बट ये जो भी मैं बातें कर रहा हूँ, वन, I have all experienced this, and that's like an experience of my life. Second thing is, how can I talk very effortless? Because there is one amount of clarity in my own head, because the meditation I do. Now, see, you have let's assume this body is your hardware. Agreed? Yes, no? This is your hardware. Like your phone has an hardware, like this outer surface, it's an hardware, right? But what is making this hardware work? It is the software, isn't it? Like iOS and Android. These are the softwares that make this structure work. Now, without software, this hardware has no value. Absolutely. It's like you'll sell it for some, it will go as like a crap. But how many times, now, while am I talking, like, see, we have done a couple of topics. We have done about mind, we have done about relationships, we have spoken about, what else did we speak? We are talking about decision making today. We talked about studies. Now, all these things are looking very nice and you think, wow, but so many times while you are going and implementing these things, it's not happening. Because why? Because the software is not getting updated. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you, first of all, I'll ask you a question. When was the last time you updated your software? Like in your phone, you're waiting, no? When is the next update coming? And you just, okay, download, install. And all night, few hours, you keep your phone, it's updates. All the bugs are removed. All the new features are added. Yeah, like WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, suddenly there were 4 people who could call in a group call. Now there are 6 people who can call. Yeah. What do you have to do? You had to update. Now, when are you updating? Because these things are nice to listen. And if you can implement, fantastic. But I will say more effortless is once your software is really updated. It is the latest one. Yeah. And for that, again, I will suggest meditation is one of the most permanent way. See, we have read books. You have read books. We can learn from there. Absolutely. But it is not a permanent solution. See, like the guy who wrote that, how can you be friends and win over people? Dale Carnegie, he himself committed a suicide. Isn't this funny? Why? Because that internal aspect we kind of absolutely forget. And I always, again and again, this is my this statement I can go on saying again and again. The quality of your life is always dependent on the state of your mind. So if your state of mind is absolutely sorted, clear, calm, relaxed, cool, decision making, handling relationships, studying, managing your family, work, everything becomes very easy because you're sorted inside. So again, this journey, I will say, always is a journey, not outwards. I always tell people, outward is a journey. But if you understand the source of it, if you understand where is it happening from, and you can understand that manual of that, you are kind of sorted. Yeah. So we'll meditate again today because I think some of you are really, really enjoying meditations. So we'll meditate again for 10-15 minutes. Then we'll take the questions. And then again, I think today is our last series, last lecture. So it was a nice 4 weeks with you, all of you. Unfortunately, I cannot see all of you, but with your questions and with the responses which come, I'm pretty happy. Okay. So I think by now, some of you will be pro in meditating, but still let's do it. Okay. So what is the rule? The rule, 2 rules. Rule number 1, eyes are closed. Rule number 2, sit comfortably and easily. And third, listen to the instructions effortlessly. Okay. Are you all ready? So first, let's shake our hands. थोड़ा सा हाथों को हिला लेते. थोड़ा हाथों को हिलाते हैं. थोड़ा हाथों को हिलाते हैं. Shake your head also. Okay, take your arms up, take your arms up, take your arms up, and make a hand like that, and pull yourself up, pull your spine up. थोड़ा कमर को ऊपर खींचते हैं, like pull that रीढ़ की हड्डी, and it's, you have to really, it should stretch. Come on, very nice, very nice, very nice. And come down, very good. Spinal cord is a very, very vital part of your body. Yeah. The more it can be elongated, that suggests how healthy your body can be. Because the way we sometimes sit, we are sitting with ऐसे बैठे रहते हैं, फिर लेट जाते हैं कभी, है ना? तो उसको दिन में आप थोड़ा टाइम keep stretching your spinal cord, really stretch it. Okay. Now keep your arms aside, keep your arms aside, like that. Okay. Now twist your hands. Very good. थोड़ा कंधों में और ट्राइसेप्स में थोड़ा स्ट्रेस आएगा. That's okay. Okay. Now do 1 round of your shoulders, 3 rounds, like, and opposite side. And relax. Let's close our eyes. आंखें बंद कर लें. आंखें बंद. And sit easily and comfortably. आराम से बैठ जाएं. And make your body still. शरीर को स्थिर कर ले. Become aware of your breath. अपनी सांस के प्रति सजग हो जाए. Observe whatever is happening inside of your body. अपना ध्यान शरीर के अंदर जो कुछ भी हो रहा है. There are some sensations, some stretches you can feel. Become aware of that. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath, 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 and breathe out from your mouth. Once more, breathe in. Hold your breath, hold your breath, hold your breath, hold your breath, and breathe out from your mouth. And as you breathe out, just relax your body. Become aware of this phenomena that every incoming breath gives us energy and every outgoing breath gives us relaxation. इस प्रक्रिया के प्रति सजग हो जाएं कि अंदर आने वाली सांस ऊर्जा देती है और बाहर जाने वाली सांस विश्राम देती है. And with every exhalation, हर बाहर जाने वाली सांस के साथ अपने शरीर को विश्राम देते जाएं. Relax your body more and more as you breathe out. And become aware of all the sounds present in the environment. जो कोई भी आवाज वातावरण में हो रही है उसके प्रति सजग हो जाए. Sound of the fan, air conditioner, your family members talking, some sound from the kitchen, some sound of the traffic, and the sound of your own breath. हर आवाज जो कमरे में हो रही है और आसपास वातावरण में हो रही है उसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. फैन की आवाज, एसी की, किसी की बात करने की या ट्रैफिक की, और अपने सांस की आवाज. And totally accept all the sounds. सारी आवाजों को पूरी तरह से स्वीकार कर ले. Accept all the sounds. And be in total harmony with your environment. वातावरण के साथ एक लय में आ जाएं. Breathe in and let go. आंखें बंद ही रखें. And become aware of your body. बिल्कुल सूक्ष्म रूप से अपने शरीर पे ध्यान ले जाएं. Without any effort. Take your attention on your right foot. दाहिने पैर पे ध्यान ले जाएं. Attention on your right foot. Right knee, दाहिना घुटना. Right thigh and hip, दाहिनी जांघा. And relax your whole right leg. पूरी दाहिनी टांग को विश्राम दें. Attention on your left foot, बायां पैर. Left knee, hip and thigh. पूरी बाहिनी टांग. Relax your whole left leg. Just take your attention there and just relax your left leg. Attention on your genitals. जनेंद्रियों पर ध्यान. Attention on your stomach. पेट पे ध्यान. And relax your stomach. पेट को विश्राम. Attention on your chest. छाती पर ध्यान. Attention on your shoulders. कंधों पर ध्यान. Right shoulder and right arm. दाहिना कंधा और दाहिनी बाजू. Left shoulder and left arm. बाहिना कंधा और बाहिनी बाजू. And relax your both your arms. दोनों कंधों को विश्राम दें. आंखें बंद रखते हुए relax your both your arms. Attention on your neck and relax your neck. गले को विश्राम दें. अटेंशन ऑन योर फेस, चेहरे पे ध्यान ले जाएं और चेहरे को ध्यान से विश्राम देते जाएं. Attention on your chin, lips, cheeks, eyes, nose, ears, eyebrows, forehead, and relax your whole face. पूरे चेहरे को विश्राम देते जाएं. Attention on the top of your head, सर की चोटी पे ध्यान ले जाएं. सर की चोटी पे ध्यान ले जाएं और सर को विश्राम दें. Relax your head. And take your attention on your whole body. अपना ध्यान पूरे शरीर पे ले जाएं. And relax your whole body. पूरे शरीर को विश्राम देते जाएं. Relax your whole body. Your body is a precious gift given by the creation to you. Totally accept it. आपका शरीर एक बहुत ही सुंदर तोहफा आपको इस प्रकृति के द्वारा दिया गया है. इसे पूरी तरह से स्वीकार कर लें. Accept your whole body. Be in total harmony with your body. शरीर के साथ एक लय में आ जाएं. Breathe in and let go. अपना ध्यान अपने विचारों पे ले आएं. Bring your attention on your thoughts. Become aware of every single thought. हर एक विचार के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Good or bad, अच्छे विचार या बुरे विचार, किसी भी विचार को रोके ना. Don't resist any of your thoughts. Let them come. विचारों को आने दें और उनके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. And totally accept your thoughts. अपने सारे विचारों को स्वीकार कर लें. The way they are. Totally accept your thoughts. Breathe in and let go. Be in total harmony with your thoughts. विचारों के साथ एक लय में आ जाएं. एक और सांस अंदर और जाने दें. Become aware of your feelings. अपना ध्यान अपनी भावनाओं पे ले आएं. Pleasant or unpleasant, सकारात्मक भावनाएं, नकारात्मक भावनाएं, जो भी भावनाएं आ रही हैं उन्हें आने दें. Don't resist any feelings. Be in total harmony with your feelings. सारी भावनाओं को स्वीकार कर लें और उनके साथ एक लय में आ जाएं। टोटल हार्मनी with your feelings. एक सांस अंदर लें और जाने दें। You are joy, you are peace. आप ही शांति हैं, आप ही आनंद हैं। You are joy, you are peace. आप ही शांति हैं, आप ही आनंद हैं। You are joy, you are peace. आप ही शांति हैं, आप ही आनंद हैं। एक सांस अंदर लें और जाने दें। अपना ध्यान अपनी भावनाओं पे ले आए। अटेंशन ऑन योर फीलिंग्स। And accept your feelings. Breathe in and let go. Attention on your thoughts. विचारों पे ध्यान ले जाएं। And accept your thoughts. Attention on your body. शरीर पे ध्यान ले आएं। And then relax your body. Become aware of your surroundings. वातावरण पे ध्यान ले आएं. Take a deep breath in and let go. Becoming aware of your body and the surroundings. शरीर और वातावरण के प्रति सजग होते हुए. Whenever you feel like, you may gently open your eyes with a smile. चेहरे पे एक बड़ी सी मुस्कान के साथ धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Slowly and gradually, you may open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Okay. How do you feel? You know, today we have meditated for how long? Today we have meditated for 16 minutes. 16 मिनट आप लोगों ने ध्यान किया. Yeah? Nice. So, Balkrishnan, there are some questions which have come to me also, or you will go ahead. आप पूछ लीजिए.
Yes. So the first question is, do you have any technique to train brain to take decision fast and accurate?
Again, see, training brain fast is like what? You need to stop the other unnecessary thoughts. The reason you are becoming sometimes slow and the decision making is not happening, one, there is no clarity in the mind, And second, there is too many things in your head. Once you can again clear that off, and that is what I say. So Sudarshan Kriya, which we teach in the Art of Living workshop, Sudarshan Kriya is one of very powerful technique which can streamline your thoughts, clear all the trash, all the garbage, and it can give you a very, very instant solution. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes. So next question is, scroll up. Yeah, 5 things you suggest for decision-making skills. Any steps? Any
5 things.
procedure?
Number one, meditate. Number 2, I will say do some exercise, because mind and body both need to be fit. Number 3 is if you see, take a decision. I'll say don't overanalyze it. Do it. I mean, you have this basic sense to understand ये सही है गलत है. इतना तो हम सबको समझ आएगा. We are all 24-25 साल के तो हो चुके हैं. आपको लगता है ये सही है, उसकी gut feeling होती है, थोड़ा उसका calculation करो, but don't spend too much time and then go for it and make it right. You make that decision right once you have taken it. Yeah. And 4th, commitment. Once you have taken the decision, put that commitment into it to make it happen. Okay.
So you have actually answered the 3rd question. It was about, do you believe in statement, take the decision first and then make it right?
Yeah.
You already answered that. Okay, so there's one question, and again, it's a repetitive question. How can I go to bed at early, and will meditation help in this?
Oh yeah, definitely. See, there is not. See, I'll just tell you. I'll tell you 1, 2, 3 things. See, I have been training, apart from training youngsters in colleges, and I train the corporates, I also train hardcore criminals. I teach a lot of workshop in Tihar Jail, which is one of the largest prisons of this country. I have taught some ex-terrorists. I have taught some hardcore serial killers. If there is one thing which one thing which has worked for any person, caste, creed, color, any background, is our meditation technique, Sudarshan Kriya and Art of Living workshop. Because we are attending to the source. We are not going. So definitely sleeping. Again, one more thing. Apart from meditation, what also will help is when you want to sleep, 1 hour before, keep your phone in other room. Your phone besides your pillow doesn't allow you to sleep. So
Right.
you need to be off phone for at least an hour before you want to sleep, because you have to understand the impression in the brain are still so much active, and those will keep on pondering in your head. तो 1 घंटा पहले आप अपने फोन को बंद कर दो, साइलेंट पे डाल दो या दूर कर दो, अपने हाथ की रेंज से दूर ले जाओ. कोई बात नहीं, आधा घंटा 1 घंटा नींद नहीं आएगी. You just lie down, then you will fall asleep. And definitely meditation though is like an Brahmastra.
So next question is very specific one, and one of the student is saying, I have started doing meditation and it really making a lot of difference in my life. But the student is facing, while doing meditation, the student is having a headache. Is there any reason behind it?
So 2 things. One, I will say learn meditation. YouTube is not a very good idea. Yeah. Second thing, if you are meditating, drink a lot of water. But again, I'll say learn it. These are the techniques, especially because they are dealing with the inner energy. They are dealing with your energy, dealing with your mind. So somebody who's supervising it, it makes it much, much more easy. And see, you could have learned before you took an admission in your MBA college. You could have gone to any other, you could have taken same notes from YouTube. But you came to IIEBM. Why? You thought, okay, we'll get a degree. We have people who are experts in that same way. Allow us to be, in job.
Right.
But it is always suggested that it has to be done under a guided teacher. Meditation always. YouTube is okay, like you can listen to those nice musics, but learning proper meditation, some breathing styles, some breathing techniques, it's always recommended. Learn from somebody.
Great. Next question is, what would you suggest to build oneself's confidence while decision making?
What will you?
What would you suggest to build oneself's confidence, self-confidence while decision making?
No. See, self-confidence we all have. ऐसा कोई व्यक्ति नहीं जिसके पास कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है. There is nobody. Everybody has that confidence. But what happens is we doubt ourselves. मैं हो कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा. अब देखो वही मैं आपको बोलता हूं, देखो एक बार जब पंगा ले लिया है फिर करो. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो जाएगा? फेल हो जाओगे ना. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो जाएगा? जो डिसीजन लिया वो गलत हो जाएगा, फेल हो जाओगे. तो कौन सी बड़ी बात है? कौन फेल नहीं हुआ? एवरी सिंगल पर्सन. जो हम लाइट जो हमारे सर के ऊपर पड़ रही है, थॉमस एडिसन, ही फेल्ड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? डू यू नो? द प्लेन व्हिच वी टेक इन, राइट ब्रदर्स, दे फेल्ड 102 टाइम्स. सो फेलियर, never be scared to fail, because failure is a way or to learn. It's a step. I'm not saying fail. मैंने ये नहीं बोला, पता चला सबने बोला कि सर ने सिखाया था कि फेल होना था सारा एग्जाम. No, I'm saying give yourself a chance to fail. Doesn't matter. So what will happen? If you can fail, what will you learn? Take a learning from it. Remember, take a learning from it and never do the same mistake again and move on. Yes.
Yes. So next question is how to keep calm once you're going through a situation which is where you have to take tough decisions.
Now this is again, I will say, your practice of meditation. See, you brush your teeth, right? You brush your teeth for how long? You brush your teeth for 5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. That keeps your mouth fresh for maybe till evening, and then again evening at night you brush your teeth, right? It has been a pattern now how you kind of elongate that. तो वैसे ही जब आप थोड़ी देर ध्यान करते हो, थोड़ी देर आप अपने आप को टाइम देते हो, ब्रीदिंग करते हो, सुदर्शन क्रिया करते हो, तो क्या होता है, उसका जो स्टेबिलिटी है माइंड की, वो स्थिरता जो मन की है, वो स्ट्रेच होती जाती है. पहले वो 15 मिनट तक रहेगी, 1 घंटे तक रहेगी, फिर वो धीरे धीरे आपका स्वभाव बन जाएगा. एंड देन whatever decisions you are sorted. No, decisions, again remember, the situation is outside, you have to be calm, that is inside. उन दोनों का कोई मेल नहीं है. अगर हम देखा जाए तो हम क्योंकि उस डिसीजन को इतना इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं और हमारे को अंदर का सिस्टम नहीं संभालना आता है, इसलिए अंदर तनाव हो जाता है और लगता है ये तो प्रेशर सिचुएशन क्रिएट हो गई है. बट जब आपको अंदर का सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर को अपडेट करना आता है, फिर बाहर की सिचुएशन उतनी तकलीफ नहीं देगी. और अगेन आई एम सेइंग, अगर वो हो भी रहा है, वही डर किस चीज का है? फेल हो जाऊंगा. क्यों बोल रहे हो? स्ट्रेस होता है, प्रेशर सिचुएशन, बिकॉज देयर इज फियर ऑफ फेलियर इज देयर. ओ माय गॉड, इफ आई विल फेल, इवन यू विल फेल, व्हाट विल हैपन फाइनली? खत्म तो नहीं हो जाएगी ना जिंदगी? कोई बात नहीं, डरो मत, आप डरो मत.
It reminds me of Javed Akhtar's one of the verse. He says, क्यों डरें, जिंदगी पे क्या होगा, कुछ ना होगा तो तजुर्बा होगा.
हाँ, exactly, तजुर्बा तो होगा ही. So
just next question is how to stay committed to your decision.
Keeping your feelings aside. The botheration for your commitment is your feelings. मन नहीं कर रहा, छोड़ देते हैं अभी. मन, अरे वो भाड़ में गया. मन उस टाइम पे फीलिंग्स को साइड में रखो और करो. देखो आप हमने सब लोगों ने 12th में कमिटमेंट को एक प्रायोरिटी तो दी है कभी ना कभी. यस और नो? 12th बोर्ड्स, डू यू रिमेंबर व्हेन यू हैड टू रियली, उस टाइम पे एसी चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा है, केबल है नहीं है, आप यू वर लाइक नहीं करना है. उस टाइम पे कमिटमेंट है, हम सब लोगों ने दिखाया कमिटमेंट को. अभी क्या होता है ना, जब हम कॉलेज में आते हैं तो हमारे को बड़ा लगता है कि अरे यार ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, वैसे नहीं हो सकता, मन नहीं है. उसको थोड़ा साइड में रखो और करो. फीलिंग्स आर योर बॉदरेशन फॉर योर कमिटमेंट. रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड.
And what if your decision is taken because of those feelings?
Face the consequences. Yeah. Because why I'm saying feelings? Because feelings keep changing. Like first day maybe you would have felt good for me, today you must have feeling bad for me. Okay,
but adding emotion to your decision probably makes it more concrete.
After once you have loved, after you have taken the decision, उसमें फिर passion डालो आप.
Right. Okay, so what is your perspective or view when the decision is influenced by your elders or your parents?
It depends on what decision is that. Are you understanding? See, I know what you're talking. There are two decisions where parents play a very important role. One is your career, second is your marriage or your relationship. There is no other third decision जहाँ पे आपको fight होती है, है कि नहीं? और पेरेंट्स का एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मॉड्यूल है, वो मैं करता हूँ. वो सिर्फ 2 शब्दों में नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज उनको डील करना इट्स एन मैनुअल हाउ टू हैंडल एन इंडियन पेरेंट. या बट आई विल से वन थिंग फॉर योर पेरेंट्स. रिमेंबर two things, both. One, that wherever you are, you have managed. The majority stake, it's theirs. You have reached to your decision, whatever you have reached. जो भी आपको लगता है मैंने अचीव किया है, उसका मेजर पार्ट आपके पेरेंट्स है. Yes or no?
Right.
डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हो सकता है, वो होना भी चाहिए, बट थोड़ा कम्युनिकेशन अगर रहेगा ना सही, तो बहुत सारी चीजें सॉर्ट आउट हो सकती है पेरेंट्स के साथ. And you should be convincing enough of your decision. वो बोलते हैं बेटा तुम्हारे को क्या करना है बताओ, अभी तो MBA खत्म हो रहा है, और आप बोलते हो पता नहीं. वो घर वाले बोलते हैं अरे भाई तू ठीक किया कि नहीं, मतलब you have spent like 20 lakh rupees on your MBA, you have finished your graduation, you're still saying I don't know what to do. So they will get obviously concerned. No. Either you say ki this is my plan and this is my plan of action for next 10 years and I know how to do it. Yeah, so very tricky, Vicky, very tricky. I can go in detail about it, but I think this is for now.
So I think we are through with the session, and it was very nice. Do you want to say any concluding remarks from your side, because this is your last session, and we are looking forward for more sessions, but this series, it is ending today. So anything from your side?
I think I'm very happy with these questions, which I mean I do a lot of sessions, but you know, these questions which the students asked, I think they were really coming from some thought. They were not randomly asking. I think there was concern, there was depth, and there was really a thought behind it, which I'm very happy. So I'm very happy to even have interacted to you. I look forward to this Monday session that, you know, you'll ask me some questions. In fact, I used to be very happy about the question answer part. कि ठीक है जो मैं बोलूँगा वो ठीक है, but जो आप questions पूछते हैं, they are very nice, है ना? So I'm very happy because this shows that, you know, the way you have been groomed to rationalize, question, think, contemplate, and that's a very healthy sign for anybody. Yeah. And I'm very happy, very delighted, and I'm thankful to Balkrishnan ji for moderating the session so well, and definitely Poonam ma'am, who was instrumental in making this happen. Yeah. And again, I'll say before we all leave, if you can fill up my feedback form, because tiny.cc/mmfeed, and I will say that, you know, give yourself 4 hours, 8 hours. You know, we take 8 hours to teach our workshop. These questions will be, you will get an experience of all these answers, really. Okay. So 2nd to 5th time again teaching a workshop. I teach after a week, 2 weeks. Take out time. You know, you will be astonished that what I'm talking and what will happen will be amazing. Good. So thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Let me tell you, the feeling is mutual. We also look forward for these sessions from you, and we were getting a lot of response. You must have been going through the comments which we are getting. So everyone is saying that you are a next level. So more and more power to you. So on behalf of IIBM family, thank you so much for these life-changing sessions. It's not the end. It is the beginning of our vibrant relationship. We at IIBM believe in providing holistic environment to our students, and also adding these things in the curriculum of our students. Your sessions were very impactful and beneficial to all of us. We are looking forward to host you once the course starts in the campus. Till then, long live IIBM and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, and my best of wishes to all the students, the bright, young, smart, brilliant students. A lot of wishes from my side. You know, go ahead, achieve your goals, and you can search me online, Avinash Tikku, if you'll put YouTube on Instagram, Facebook. Any questions sometime you have, you can generally also ask me there on my social media accounts. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Have a great day ahead. Thank you.